How to connect Moza R5 to PS5. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will understand why the Moza R5 doesn't work with the PS5, and I'll show us a possible workaround that might help if you really want to try it. Why it doesn't work? The Moza R5 is a PC on a racing wheel base. It was designed to work on Windows and has no official compatibility with PlayStation consoles. That means the PS5 does not recognize the device. Even if powered on, games like Gran Turismo won't respond to these inputs. Also, there's no PlayStation security chip inside, which is required for PS5 games to accept as racing wheel. Possible workaround. Step 1. Use a console adapter. You can try a third-party adapter like Drive Hub or Brook Resolution 2. This acts as a bridge between unsupported wheels and the PS5. Step 2. Plug a supported wheel first. You need to connect a supported wheel, like a Logitech G29, to unlock PS5 mode on the adapter. Step 3. Keep your PC running. Then, connect your Moza R5 to your PC and configure everything using Moza's Speedhouse software. The adapter might recognize the inputs, but force feedback and button mapping can be limited or glitchy. Reminder: this method is not guaranteed. It is not supported by Moza or Sony, and results can vary depending on the adapter and game. And that's it. That was the quick guide explaining why the Moza R5 doesn't work on PS5 and how you might still give it a try. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.